We are going to start with nomenclature of substituted benzene, unit 12.5.4, page 338 of NCERT. We are starting from here. Substituted benzenes can be of following types: monosubstituted, disubstituted, trisubstituted, or polysubstituted. Let us first deal with monosubstituted. Each of them has a typical name, which is common name, but these days it is accepted, very much accepted as a IUPAC name. For example, this is typical methyl benzene. But it is called toluene. This is accepted. Similarly, for this methoxybenzene, but this is very much accepted as anisole. This is aminobenzene. This is called aniline. Nitrobenzene, bromobenzene. Here the IUPAC name and the common name are same. These are IUPAC common, they are same. Let's go for disubstituted. It can be two same substituents, जैसे कि bromine. Positions are 1-2 positions. It can be bromine at 1 and 3 positions. 1, 2, 3 position. It can be any bromine or nitro at 1,4 position. This is known as ortho. That is 1-2 substitution is called ortho. This 1,3 substitution is called meta. 1,3. And this is para. 1,4 substitution. All of them are position isomers of dibromobenzene. For them, we can write this is called 1,2-dibromobenzene, or we can put a small o dibromobenzene. It can also be o ortho-dibromobenzene or 1,2-dibromobenzene. Both are accepted by IUPAC, but this is the correct way. This is 1,3-dibromo and this is 1,4-dibromobenzene. All of them are, remember, position isomers of dibromobenzene, where the position of bromine is different. The molecular formula is same. The structure has a difference because the position of bromine is different in all three cases. Let us go for trisubstituted. Now there are certain rules in trisubstituted, same as alkanes. We first choose the lowest set of locant rule for numbering. So let me say how to benzene numbering. This is a substituent, this is a substituent, this is a substituent. All three are of low priority. So how do we start the numbering? If I start from here, the first position comes 1. From here be 1. From here 1. The second position after 1 comes 3. And from here the second position comes 2. From here the second position comes 2. Naturally we will go, substituent should get the least possible. So this is discarded. I can't do this. Now let us come here. The third position, if I count from this side, 1, 2, 3, 4. This comes 4. But for this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this also gets discarded. So my correct way of numbering will be 1, 2, 3, 4. Correct? But while naming, this is the way I number it. When I start naming it, I will realize that alphabetic order needs to be followed. So the name becomes 1-chloro 2,4-dinitro benzene. Let us go for this one. Here if I say, naturally this cannot be one position because the second position comes here. Out of this and this, if I decide, from this side it is 1, 2, 3, 4. If I start from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now the first position will be given to this. Now my 1, 2, 3, 4. Correct? So now naming should be a methyl, this is chloro, this is nitro. Alphabetic order 2-chloro 1-methyl 4-nitrobenzene. Correct? We go for this. Again in this if I see, first one, these two I have to decide. I can't see from here. यहाँ से nearest देखेंगे. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So ये तो discard हो गया. So what should be? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, this is the correct way. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Now writing again in the alphabetic order. So this is chloro, this is methyl, and this is methoxy. So after chloro, I am going to name methoxy. Okay. Now methoxy is one group which is lowest functional group also. So I can name it as anisole. I can call it anisole instead of priority also fits here and anisole. So the name of this compound now can be 4,2-chloro 4-methyl anisole. Let's go ahead. We are going to deal with a benzene ring which has a functional group and a substituent both. In this case, the numbering, now I will go straight 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is all. If I am doing it like this, this is wrong. Why? Because always functional group is given priority. So be very careful. See and check any of them. If it is functional group, the numbering will be 1, 2, 3, 4. These are not functional. These are substituent, but this is a functional group. So it is given a preference. Now name, this is methyl and this is OH. So what does it become? Phenol. What is it? Phenol. So remember, the name will be 3,4-dimethyl phenol. 3,4-dimethyl phenol. When benzene ring has an OH, it is called phenol. Let us see this. And now here I can see this is aniline. This has come out to be aniline. And so without any doubt, I'll do the numbering like this. Now, this is ethyl, this is methyl. So, it will be 4-ethyl, 2-methyl aniline. Let us see this one. These are all low priority ones. So, I will follow the general trend. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is now this is ethyl, this is nitro, this is fluoro. So, what should I do? First, 4-ethyl, 1-fluoro, 2-nitrobenzene. I'm unable to write here. Nitrobenzene. So this is the way you practice the substituted benzene nomenclature.